Hello. Hola. Hello. Bonjour. 치치박치실. 안녕 여러분. 어떻게 잘 지내세요? Hope you are all doing great, safe and sound. Mag-unbox tayo today ng aking first iPhone na phone. First ko to kasi hindi talaga ako Apple user. Android na yung gamit kong phone after nung first Nokia phone ko nung unang-unang panahon pa. Paghahalata ang matanda na. Naalala ko nung first year high school ako noon. 3210 Nokia yung unang naging cellphone ko. And in fairness talaga sa Nokia that time, napakatibay na. Lumakda siya sa stairs sa school namin, then buhay pa siya after. But now we're in new generation. Most of us Android or iOS na ang gamit ng phone. So bakit ba hindi ako Apple user when it comes to cellphone? First, kasi ang mahal. Second, believe it or not, hindi talaga ako mag-gadget. Inaabot ng ilang years ang mga gamit ko bago ko talaga siya palitan. Not unless totally broken na talaga siya. And lastly, medyo hirap ako on transferring files like mga images, music, documents, etc. Minsan, di ba, need mo pa ng iTunes? Di ba, if I'm not mistaken. Unlike Android kasi, mas convenient. Copy-paste lang to transfer or upload ng files. Ewan ko ba, ano bang meron sa iPhone? Maraming nahuhook sa brand na to. Lalo na yung bagong release nila ngayon na iPhone 12 Pro. Yung mga kakilala ko nung upcoming pa lang yung iPhone 11, nakita nila tatlo yung camera. Ang pangit daw, mukha daw razor or yung pang shaver. Tapos, kalaunan, sabi nila, ay, ang ganda pala ng bagong iPhone. Maganda siya sa personal. Tapos ayun, nabili na nila. Mga yayamanin. Just, bakit ba ako nag-iPhone? Actually, I'm considering first on things I buy if I need it. Or it's just a want. Yes, I ask myself first, need ba to or want lang? So, syempre, need ko. Need ko siya sa work. Mostly kasi ng mga sinusupport namin is mga iPhone users. So, ang aking napiling model is iPhone 12 Pro on my favorite color, blue! Hindi naman halata, diba? Mahilig ako sa blue talaga. So, ang napili ko is Pacific Blue color. So, ito na. Let's see!
iPhone 12 has 4 different colors, which are Pacific Blue, Gold, Graphite, and Silver. It is 6.1 inches all-screen OLED display, 5.78 inches in height, 2.82 inches in width, and with a weight of 187 grams or 6.60 ounces. The front is composing of ceramic shield that is 4 times better on dropping performance. And its sides are made of surgical grade stainless steel. It attributes a 5G high quality streaming and downloads. Face ID is also featured for its security lock or authentication. From its 3 cameras, it has ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto shot in a 12 megapixel, same with the front camera. By this phone, you can also record a Dolby Vision HDR video up to 60 FPS. And of course, it also features a 4K recording. The battery can last up to 17 hours with video playback. It's compatible with MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers. It has 3 storage capacities from 128 GB, then 256 and 512 GB.
Hello! Hola! Hello! Bonjour! Chichi Bakshishir! Hindi ko
인솔해. 도대체 뛰냐? 얘들은 의무실로 가.
저희 합격입니까?
빨리 안 가?
충성! 너 고등학교 어디 나왔냐? 서울과학고. 과학고면은 카이스트 같은 데 가야 되는 거 아니야? 카이스트 진부하잖아.
Okay, so na-unbox na natin ang iPhone 12 Pro. And I did some tests on the camera, indoor and outdoor. And ngayon, review naman tayo. So yung box niya is slim lang. Ang laman niya lang kasi is yung phone unit and the charger cable. Unfortunately, wala siyang kasamang adapter and headset. Laging color ng phone ko, black. But since may blue si iPhone, blue ang kinuha ko. And I really like the shade ng blue na. Ito. Hindi siya katulad ng blue sa iPhone 12 na medyo intense or matingkad yung pagka-blue. Itong sa iPhone 12 Pro, Pacific blue color, parang matte blue yung dating niya. So, ang masasabi ko, no doubt when it comes to camera, iPhone is really good. And also with the security. This is their main features, kaya kahit mahal, talagang mabenta siya. Also, the very good quality and the design, which is at first look, magagandahan ka. Yung nga lang para sa akin, magdadalawang isip ka sa presyo. But overall, you will definitely get what you pay for. The performance, stabilization, quality, camera function, and its capacity. All are very good. So, good job, Apple. I love my first iPhone phone. I really like it. There you have it, guys. Shinare ko lang to for those na nag-iisip na bumili ng bagong phone. Mapa-iPhone man yan or anumang brand. Ask yourself first if it's a need or want. Remember, we're still in pandemic and everything is really uncertain. So, dapat piliin muna natin ang priorities and necessities. So, see you in my next vlog. Your Boon. God bless. Bye. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye. I like it. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it.